Hi, my name is Carolyn Klauba and I'm the Stewardship Director for the Sourland Conservancy. I want to talk to you about stewardship. So, ecological stewardship is the active participation in caring for the land to benefit our local ecosystem. And a steward shop is a workshop about stewardship, and generally steward shops take place at somebody's home and the work that they're doing at their home to benefit the local ecosystem. This year, we really want to focus on Sourland Conservancy members that are taking active steps to reduce their lawn and replace their lawn with native herbaceous and woody plants that will benefit their local ecosystem. Some of these members went whole hog in and they fenced in a huge area of land and they did a really big restoration project on their property. Other members have done it in smaller bites, little bit by little bit, taking up the lawn and planting in natives. We really want to encourage everyone to be part of this stewardship initiative. Everybody can make a difference. So please join us in learning about how to reduce your lawn, planting native plants, and saving the Sourlands.